Along the body, I have to me a valley. She's a guy down with my head, so I have to your knee. Along the body, I have to me a valley. She's a guy down with my head, so I have to your knee. Say good down there so near, but we need to bound drug away. Tadanaya tole lodi, badaya showing lodi. Did a good in green, tailing lodi. Mama to Janedi, Tirago Jango, Jibuda Takatoni, Atipiyamia, Wagati, Abida Matea, Janami, we Patana Chiti, Mabazedi. Nyapala Tira Wada Mapyata Vara Nila Taraka Pamama Chawesi Kabataloa Chiti Oda Yauji These are much of the Gusiara Nada Sugar Pia Ayudana Sayoni Kanyadoti Along the body, I have to meow and pally. She's a guy down with my head, so I have to your knee. Along the body, I have to meow and pally. She's a guy down with my head, so I have to your knee. Very good down there so near, but when you bound drug away, Tadanaya Toneludi, Badaya showing Luci, did a good green, tailing Lutali. Mama to Janedi, Tirago Jangoji, Buddha Takatumi, Atipiyamia, Wagati, Abida Matea, Janami, we Patana Chiti, Mabazedi. Nyapala Tira Wada Mapyata Vara Nila Taraka Pamama Chawesi Kabataloa Chiti Buddha Yamji These are Macho Tigusiara Tada Sugar Pia Ayudana Sayoni Kanyaloti Along the body, I have to now I believe. She's a guy down with me, so I have to pull your knee. Along the body, I have to now I believe. when tailing low tabi.
Today, let's go to the power. From which village? After the ends of the 45 Vasa, Buddha traveled a lot. His continuous traveling started from Rajgiri. Rajgiri to Vaishali, between two cities. So many cities, so many towns, so many villages. Buddha delivered many sermons, and almost every village Buddha's the last Vasa, 45th Vasa. And Velua village, near the capital of the Vaishali, near the capital city of the Vaishali, Velua village, where Buddha stayed. And there's a Velua village within the rainy retreat. Buddha got so strong diseases. Velua Gami, Uddupa Gamani. Pabala Vidana Portanti Maranantika. Lohida Pekandika. Tadudam Bhagawa, the truth Namasano, Adiwadidi. Wonderful words. You shall learn by heart. Bhagavadi Vadidi the Dodhamasano. Diwadidi the Dodhamasano meaning Bhagavad absorbed, entering into plasmapati. By the power of this plasma body, Buddha protect this disease. Very powerful disease. Very powerful absorption, the body. Buddha decided by the power of this plasma body, this disease must be stopped. For 10 months alone. Three months. 3 months long. 10 months, yes, 10 months long. Vasa. Vasu, Vago, Todalin, Rinjo, Zamo, Neto, Piado. Ture Lavi. and the full moon day of the Buddha Labi and Sabala city, Sabala shrine. Buddha decided I want no more protect. There is a disease. After that, full moon day of August. But this power of a process must be exist for 3 months. After the full moon day of the Buddha and the full moon day of Kasauti. Very interesting plasma body. This plasma body is called Ayupalaka plasma body. Khanika plasma body. Ayupalaka plasma body. Nirodha samapatti. Jhana samapatti. Sometimes Buddha for relaxation, to enjoy the peace, to enjoy the relaxation, samapatti. Tadadali nivu leve balole, tamapa wenzare, kanika samapatti, kana, one night, one afternoon, one evening, 1 hour, etc. I already explained to you, after his enlightenment, for 7 weeks, around the Bodhi tree in 7 different places, day and night, 1 week. What is samapatti? Relaxation, enjoying happiness of the cessations of the Vedana. For 7 weeks, the Patsi Vindavi, Shakshvidva. But at the 5th week of Vimana, Ajabala, Buddha stayed together with the goalkeeper and goalkeeper for 1 week. Why Buddha stayed in there? Plasma body, enjoying the plasma body, but not completely 1 week. Because many disturbances are by the goalkeeper, by the cowkeeper, or the cowherd. Disturbances several times, questioned many times. Nothing effective. Nobody knows any Buddha's teaching. Nobody in the first stage of enlightenment, even. Useless, spent. Wonderful. Say what does the meaning of the Brahmana? They are even the Brahmana. They don't know their meaning. You should not be like a cowherd. Kaya 7 days later, Badi. Nagam. same be Sabari needed Sejana, Chabadi, the child of Mobile. Also, I was a very donida, Naga Balubi. Mori Lirica Bire, no? And a Nagama Didi, the Naga was very son of joy, Nadome. There is a Matidi, Luria, Mati. Say Chavdal Kauri. Miru about Chavdal. Dirigu Chavdari. Say Chavdalu Piene over the Rita. Say Janda say Kobita Sada, the Gomiani. The low Chilia de Tota. Middle bring up Papula. Bemawa Tepula, no? Namuri Puchara. Say la Homayuma. Chapmavi, one is it? Beyanisa. Correct. Which I lead the ballet, no? That's all. A chain, me, Pumba. Which I lead Pushi Nagarai, Eddie Jare. A chain, me, Pumba. Ranger Zamuaro. Bawadina Yadu Pianta. Not of Yadu, the boat way. What? Good the bong yaw be the day go had that the bong. Yarama Piao needed you are the Yai Shilip, Yaw Liane. Then I am a debut Piao needed. As a via power with Chuabi Sorego, that the bomb killed. Power with Chuabi Yan is only the Kuma, so die they adore Yayak. Pinyan is only in a sense. So that they don't have Yannis on you. So that I love you shout. But they can do Bundy. The video wasn't ensemble. But they can do Lekanamuba. We Watanaya, hola. Watanaya sura, we Adanaya mola. Maneving a sabu. Watanaya sura, we Adanaya. We Karido. Maneving a sabu, son being Hame, Lekama. Eddie Maneving a Bermanepian. So that the Kamara Buddha, the Bhatta Buddha with the Kro Avara Ubizili, ဆိုရဲဆွမ်းစားလိုက်ပြီးရောဘယ်ဘာဖြစ်လဲယောဂဖြစ်ဖလားသမမဆွမ်းကြီးကုံသွားပြီဒါကြောင့်ယောဂဝင်လာဖလားသမမကတားလိုက်တဲ့10လစေ့သွားအဲ့ဒါဆိုရင်ပြိဋိဘဆံမှုရဲ့ဘာဖြစ်လဲရောက်နေပြီဟုတ်လားဒီလိုတွေးရဒီလိုစဉ်းစားတင်ညာလေးအိမ်နောက်တရက်မနေ့စားစောစားပြီးယောဂဖြစ်ယောဂဖြစ်တဲ့ဓာတုတံဝေဒနာသတောတံပဇာနောအဓိဝသေတိတတိပညာနဲ့သိခံဒါပေမဲ့မရတော့ဘူးအဲ့ဒီကနေအာယမနန္ဒယေနကုသီနာရာယတိနုပသင်္ကမိတ်တာမှာလျှောက်ပြီလေAnanda, let us leave for Kushinara. Let's go to the Kushinara. Pyovi. Udayanayo Toya on Suro. Yazavia Pawa Yade Nyani Gindi Pawaga Sodaya de Uyama Tanya Ede Eri Nyadi. The Bongla San Salia Pine. Whatever. To Elu to it. Bongla San Salia Pine. Sorry. Kasongla San Salia. Kasongla San Salia Pine. One day before the full moon of the May, Ekasong or Vaisakha Purnima, before the one day Vaisakha Purnima, Buddha arrived at Beoyao. Jodasa Kamara Bodhasa Ambavani. At the mango garden belonged to Joda, the son of a goldsmith. Shivering there, that's Jodaya, they are winning. Buddha spent one night over there. In the evening late, Joda came to the Buddha, paid respect. And requested, please, out of compassion, accepted my food donation for tomorrow morning. That's right. Buddha accepted by silence. And then I saw that so happy. He has a chant for donation of the Buddha's meal. But he did not understand. This is the last meal of the Buddha. Buddha is now so swallowed to Buddha. He prepared very well. What a kind of food? Yo. Well prepared, Sukra Matawa. Huh? What is it? Sukra. Su. Very well. Kra, prepare. Babyonya. Wemaho. Paya Dadalo. Dadalo Gaina, Dilu Pura. Tukra. And the Abhidhana, no? Your dictionary, Pali your dictionary, you can translate. This is a Paul. Where? But Su and Kara, two words are combined. Su means Sundara. Very, very well. Kara means prepare. Very well prepared food. Yeah, yeah. Mahobu. Sukra Barine, very well prepared loka. Dahi, lassi, butter. Malay ko English lu boleh kau, Malay milk no ayah dah ngapa lah, biasa gora. With these material and very good rice, basmati rice, cook. Very good. And put into many essence into this food. Around the 10,000 universe, all our deity knows very well. This will be last meal of the Buddha. Tomorrow Buddha will be passed away. Around the 10,000 universe, deities are known. Therefore, all of our deities put into this Thame Oji. Any Thame Oji de Barite. Debosa, Deva Oza, no? Not the Radi. Such our other Nadia went here. They want to take their advantage also for the donation of the last meal of the Buddha, no? Nati went here. Well prepared. Choda and deity, well prepared food. This is called Sukra. Madhva means very delicious. Very soft and very delicious madhva. This is called Sukra madhva. In 5 ways, different idea, different translation. Originally, really pork. Wet soma, wet dadaku. Wet mahobu. No ayaba ngabane chetare tame. Wele mahobu. No ayada ngabane chetare mahobu. Mouja, mobu. Sonabi so mouja. Mouja powder. Mo. Tiaga biare mo mahobu. Me. Bamboo shoot. Some scholar translated meaning of the Sukra Madhva, well prepared with the bamboo shoot, well prepared with the mushroom, well prepared very well with Yasayana Osada. Yadayana say. But most scholars, especially Theravada side, translated this word, Sukra Madhava, really poor. But around 10,000 universe, Sajavara, Tadama, Nadia Maluta, put, they boya, na Ozari, white hater. How many meaning? Whether Yada yana say, no Yada Nava, more. I have read yesterday evening Mahawa Atagata, Udan Atagata, Mahawa Tiga. You must read to have such a kind of a 5 meaning. Number 1, Mahawega commentary. Number 2, Mahawega sub-commentary. Hala. Commentary, diga. Commentary, atagara. Sub-commentary, diga. And then especially, you should look at Udan. Khodaka Nikaya. Udana Palido included in Khodaka Nikaya. This is it, included in Bemala. Diga Nikaya. 2 Nikayas. In the 2 Nikayas, Sangiri Karaka Thera, Sangiri Akansu, Nikke Dayama, Dithuku, Zengana Dendal. Father. Sodavo. Jamula. That's Sodavo for it. Don't jire ma, don't get wendara. Hala. That's Sodavo. In the Khodaka Nikaya, Udana Palido, they are very evidently Sangite Akansu Tenden Shasha Degana Denare, Mother Sodato Dijara Sodato Mahopene Soda, a binding of my people, but in the mother Gide win it. Now you must understand. Soda Sutra are different. Ayudhanga Rosasana Sutra also another different name, and Udana Pali. All understand? Any little lila, any little far he got. Elogia. Udama Pali. Oh. Diga Nigarega, Toshi Rega, Totuli, quick video, Teta. Yai. So da, Doda, Bemajime, Uda Balido, Jim. Uda Balido, Gado, the Ishi Daibo. Uda Balido, a Tegra with Uyel. Era, Lamian. Who wrote this Udana Atagata commentary? Mahadama Pala wrote. This is Mahabharata Sutra commentary, Diganikaya commentary. Who read it? Burgosa. Nalena. Burgoda Bayir. Di Mahabharata Duji, Sunda Dule. Tu puedo. And a dupuena, ho Udane machine in a soda dogu, dupuen. The Mapala point. The Mamala point and the Taiji Tula. The Ayusali, when Moro Biedo at the Mabala Yiva. တဲ့သုံးခုကတော့အတူတူပဲမိုး mushroom bamboo shoot အဲ့ဒါတွေရဲ့အဓိပ္ပာယ်ကိုဘယ်သူကပြောအရှင်တပတ်ပါလာပြောတယ်ကြည့်ကြရင်ဘယ်မှာဖတ်ဥဒံပါဠိဖတ်လို့မရဘူးဥဒံအထက်ကရာဖတ်ဟုတ်လားယသနာရှိရဲ့ပြစ္ဆဂောရတနဲ့ပြင်ဆင်ထားတာရဲ့ဝက်သားရဲ့ဒီအိဗေသုံးခုဟာဘယ်မှာရှိဘုရဂောသားရဲ့အထက်ကရာမှာရှိထက်ကရာဆန်2ယောက်ကအဲ့လိုဖြစ်လူကစောလဲလူကနောက်ချလဲဆက်လေးလာရင်အဲ့ဒါပူရှုပ်တော့မရှုပ်နဲ့သူတို့ကခက်ကြိုက်This is very small research ပေးစီလို့ရှိရင်အဲ့လိုရေးရမယ်ဟဲ့ကောင်လေအဲ့ဒါဖတ်နိုင်မှာပြီးသွားပြီစာအုပ်ပိုက်ပြန်လို့ရတယ်ရှောက်ဖတ်နေလက်ဒါပဲမလားဟမ်ဟဲ့ကောင်လေဒါဖတ်အောင်ပဲဆိုလက်ဒါပဲမလားပြန်ရပြီ class B မင်းတို့ဘလောက်လို့လဲမသိဘူးငါအဲ့လိုလုပ်ထားတာစုကရမဒဝဘောရဥဝိုင်ကပေါ်ဦးကိုမေးတယ်ဟဲ့ပေါ်ဦးတို့ဖယားဟာဗမာလူမျိုးလားကလားလူမျိုးလားမှန်လားပါဘုံတော်ကြောင့်ဗမာအစ်စ်ပါကလားမဟုတ်မင်းဘာအထောက်ထားနဲ့ပြောဖယားပြိဋိဘဇာနာဝေသန်ဆွမ်းပြိစာပြီးပြိဋိဘဇာနာလို့ပြောတယ်ကလားဝေသမစားဘူးဗျာဗမာပါဗျာဝေသစားသေးတာမဟုတ်ဗမာအစ်စ်ပါဘိုးကပြောတာအဲ့ဒါလည်းမဟုတ်ဖြတ်ထုံးဗမာဖယားကောင်းလားပြည်မနာရဲ့တောင်ပန်းနာလေးသွားလိုက်မြို့လေးတစ်မြို့ဖြတ်တယ်လေသာဝတိရောက်တိုင်းငါသာဝတိလှမ်းမရသာဝတိလုံးလုံးမတူကလေးနဲ့တမှုဖြတ်သွားရင်လမ်းအနောက်နာချင်းတောင်ရဲ့တောင်ကြီးမှာရာဇကြိုးရှာဥစံတော်မေးကြည့်ဆရာရာဇကြိုးတွေသာဝတိတွေဘုံမှာပြီးရောက်တယ်ဘယ်လိုလုပ်ရောက်ဥစဉ်စိတ်မပြည့်နေရောက်စေဟိုကလားလက်မခံလို့ဒီဘက်ရောက်လာတော့အကုန်ရွှေ့ယူရင်ဗောဓိပင်ကြီးတော့ရွှေ့လိုက်ချင်တယ်ဘာဖြစ်လဲဗမာပြည်ကနာမည်တူတတ်ထားတာတွေကိုဆရာကြီးကဒီလိုပြောတယ်နော်မရှုံးချရှောက်စီဗမာပြည်အကုန်ရွှေ့သာဝတိရာဇကြိုနန္ဒာပါဠိပေါ့အကုန်လုံးဗမာပြည်မှာတည့်ပလိုက်ဘုရားကရဘုရားကြီးတဲ့ဗောဓိပင်ကြီးပါအကုန်ရွှေ့ဆရာဥစ္စာတော်ပြောကဲပြီးပြီဒါမဲ့ပြင်းစရာကောင်းတော့ဖောက်ဒါခောဘဂဝါဘောဂနဂရေယတပိရဏဝိရိတောအသမတံအနန္တံအမန္တိတိထိုအခါမြတ်စွာဘုရားသည်ဘောဂမြို့မှာပြောသလောက်နေပြီးတော့အရှင်အနန္ဒာကိုပြောတယ်အာယမနန္ဒဟေအနန္ဒလာသွားကြရအောင်ယေနပါဝတေနုပသင်္ကမိသမပါဝါကိုသွားကြစို့ဧဝဗန္တိတိကောသမအနန္တောဘဂဝတောပစ္စသောတိရှင်အနန္ဒကလည်းကောင်းပါပြီသွားကြရအောင်ဒါကောဘဂဝါမတာဘိက္ခုသံဃေနသန္တေယေနပါဝတရဝတရိသင်္ဃာရပေါင်းမြောက်များစွာနဲ့မြတ်စွာဘုရားဟာပါဝါကိုသွားတယ် Tatra Turan Bhagava Bhavaya Viharati Saudata Kamara Buddhata Abhavani Sauna Shivri Thai They Doma Myasabaya Nire Taka Sauna Kamara Buddha Yena Bhagavati Nupathagami Upathagami Dwa Bhagavantami Varidwa Ega Mandani Diriga Mandani Dena Sauna Kamara Buddha Bhagava Dhammiya Gadaya Thanda Theti Thamadapedi Thamode Seti Thambantheti Yati Sauli Sute Do Saunda Yaulade Yasa Miyaga Saunda Ko Seti Shwe Techwala Deya Hopi Like Thaka Saunda Kamara Buddha Bhagavata Dhammiya Gadaya Thanda Thito Thamadapedi Thamode Seti Thambantheti Phaya Dayana the Saunda Seti Shwenchi Biro Nyaswa Bhyago Shaubi Adiwa De Dumi Bani Bhagavad Vadanaya Bada Beda Devi Kudangina Manavanga Biro Yaswan Lekha Ejwa Adiwa Devi Bhagavad Doni Bhavina Tago Saunda Kamara Buddha Bhagavad Vadana Viridwa Udayadana Bhavana Bhivadira Bhakina Gadawa Bekami Yasam Yaleka Mantira Saunda Bhyago Shiko Bido Abian Daga Saunda Kamara Buddha Toga Saunda Sira Shivri De Thadi Tata Radiya Dunya Go Isi Nanodabi Degani with the name Mimi Ni Ema Panitan Mumya Swada Karaniyan Kebwe Era Karaniya Boguli I'm a beautiful hard food Mama Lady Karaniya Kaisa Bosnian Sara soft food hard food and soft food Priyara Bindo Aziz Bahu Densa Myamya Soli Pito Dukara Madamo Adive Nganyo Shiri Swango Turu Chaja Blessene Pidabi David Yamyo Do a web Taga Bhagava Bhavana Mayani Vandira Bana Zira Banayata Devi Kudangina Ira Sundana Kamara Punada Nivedana Duma Uma Ramyani Andre Nidhi Zago Bhagava Sunda Kamara Buddha Amandevi Yasa Bhayaga Samboy Tailule Biyo Sunda Ukopyo Yante Sunda Dukra Madama Briyatan He Sunda Me Wada Uyi Gwa Chetalida Ananda Town down there Nado Dari Sejawla Dadawa Nadiga Wante Tara Erari Guli Tina Mambriwida Nago Bejui Nabesham Yambana Enyam Mala Karaniya Bosnia Biada Tachasi Madara Sokava Bosnia Goro Bhikkhu Tangam Privida Yandanga Gujui Nangarorigu Baba Juya Wada him Juya Babilu Sejawla Dama Na Bonga Naduda Teda Paya one by Ma Bejili me Meno had a one by Bajibu 3 me Erasai Hola Emo Manerigo Sunda Kamara Buddha Bhagavata Bridu to a young Hondi Dukra Madama Bria Dandina Bhagon Dambrividi She Mantaris Whether him Myasa Payaku Be Twiri the Decha Sanka Bosini with Tangaramia are Twiri. Tina Begutanga Brivida Tako Bhagava Sundan Kamara Buddha Amandevi Pyodiri Yande Sunda Dukra Madava Wadita Sunda Ye Whether Zanani Chani Rekwa Nago Omsanai Dan Tobi Niganahi အဲ့ဒါမြောင်းတဲ့ချောင်းထဲမှာတွင်းတုပ်ပြီးတော့မြုပ်ပလိုက်သွတ်ပေဆိုတော့ရေမြောင်းတဲ့တွင်းတုပ်ပြီးတော့မြုပ်ပြီးဒီမှာသီဟနာဒရှင်သေးဟုတ်တယ်နာဟန္တသုဒ္ဓပတ္တမိသတေဝကိလောကေ etc လူလောကနတ်လောကပြမလောကဒီဝတ္တဟိစာအစာကြေမဲ့ပုဂ္ဂိုလ်ငါတယောက်မှမမြင်ဘူးဟုတ်လားဒီဝတ္တဟိစာပြီးတော့အစာကြေမဲ့ပုဂ္ဂိုလ်ငါတယောက်မှမမြင်ဘူးငါဓမ္မသေးပဲအဲ့ဒါအစာကြေမဲ့ပုဂ္ဂိုလ်ရှိတယ်ဒါသိရနာအဲ့ဒါကြောင့်ကြံနေတဲ့ဝတ္တဟိနေဘာလို့ပြလိုက်တွင်တူမြုပ်ပြီးဧဝံဗန္တိယေနဘဘဝပြီးပြီသမုဒ္ဒေစိတ္တသမ္မသေတာဥဒ္ဓသနာဘေကမိတရားဟောစောစပြီးဘုရားထသွားအထာခောဘဂဝတောသုဒ္ဓတကမ္မာရဗုဒ္ဓသဗတ္တံဗုဒ္ဓဝိတ္တခရောအာဘာဒဥပ္ပေစီလာပြီအဲ့ဒါကြောင့်ကစုံလာဇန်14ရက်ပြောတာအဝိသင်္ကာရဖလားသမဘာရဲ့ဆွေးတတိကဆုံးပြီယောဂချင်းချင်းပေါ်သာဂောဒုက္ခဘဝတောနဲ့ဆိုဘုရားမှာသုဒ္ဓသကမ္မရဗုဒ္ဓသသုဒ္ဓမြေသောရွှေပရိသေသာဤဗတ္တံဆွမ်းကိုဗုဒ္ဓဝိတ္တစာသုံးပြီးသည်ရှိသောခရောကျန်တန်းစွာသောအာဘာဒောနာယောဂသည်ဥပ္ပိစီဖြစ်ပြီဒီနေရာမှာသုဒ္ဓသကမ္မာရဗုဒ္ဓသဗတ္တံဗုဒ္ဓဝိတ္တမှာတာဝီပစ္စည်းเนาะအတိတ်ကိုဟောတာဗုဒ္ဓနဲ့တာဝီနဲ့အတိတ်ကိုဟောတာစာပြီးသောအခါလို့ဘာသာပြန်စာခြင်းကြောင့်လို့ဘာသာပြန်ရင်မှားဗုဒ္ဓဝိတ္တစာပြီးသောအခါဒီစာပြီးယောဂဖြစ်တာဒီစာခြင်းကြောင့်အစာမှားပြီးဖြစ်တာမဟုတ်ဒါရှင်းမို့လို့အဲ့ဒါတက္ကရာမှာရှင်းထားတာအများကြီးပဲသုဒ္ဓရဲ့ဝေဒစားလို့ဘုရားသွေးဝမ်းသွားတယ်ဆိုရင်သုဒ္ဓစိတ်ကောင်းပါမလားဆွမ်းတကာကြီးအပြည့်ရောက်နေဘူးလားမင်းဘုရားနဲ့မတည့်တာတွေချက်ကျွေးတယ်တရက်လုံးကသူ့ဝမ်းဆဲမှာပေါ့ Facebook တွေဘာတွေတက်သွားမှာပေါ့ဟုတ်တယ်မလားဒါလောက်အိုမင်းရင်းရောနေတဲ့ဘုရားကြီး80လေယောဂတွေကလည်းဆွဲနေအဲ့ဒါကြီးတော့ကစုံလာကြီးဘာကျွေးတယ်ဝက်သားကျွေးတယ်မေတ္တမဲ့တယ်သုဒ္ဓဆုံးလေးတနာကားရပါတယ် Facebook ကဝိုင်းဆဲတာလေစိတ်နှလုံးသက်သာမှာမဟုတ်ဘူးအဲ့ဒါကိုမြင်တော်မူလို့ဗုဒ္ဓကာရဏလို့ဘာသာမပြန်ပါနဲ့ဒီဆွမ်းကိုစားခြင်းကြောင့်မဟုတ်ဘူးဘာကြောင့်ဖလတ်သမမဲ့ဆွမ်းရည်ကရက်လိုက်ပြီးဖြစ်တဲ့အတွက်ကြောင့်ယောဂပြန်ပေါ်လာဒါစားပြီးသောအခါမှာဖလတ်သမပယထာနဲ့စားပြီးတာနဲ့တိုက်ဆိုင်ဟုတ်လား after eating of the Sukra Madhava because of eating number not Sukra Madhava Buddha Karo Avara Obisi no so that's a Majamada Mapia and a Chishu Badabia Maya so that wine be delayed Laida Bekaniga Durit None Babala Bimentan Maranadiga Digo de Laut Wirana Ria Bodani Pijagogi Era Ligo 3,000 Te Biro That's what we are joy. Tadradu Dantadura Bhagavata Samsano Divadedi Avihinya Mano. Dividana de Gobias of Yadripina and Tay Tara Mabemamu Avihinya. Tago Bhagavaya Tamanda Ananda Mandidi. Madagre, Dializa Shikuni, Kasolaza, Shali. Nane Kili Pavagane Kudena Puyat Kobi Aga Gadana Boshi Dabia Homo Dengana de Matiri Yiteta Bedingana Mayile Darabionam Tiara Tadia Dengana Mayite Tin. Nadia Dingara Mayite Target. Sondata Sondaya Badan Swango. Sodata Kamara Buddha Zona Zora Shivrinda Badan Swango Bose to Asayi. Ide either Mingadi Ludan Jamure. Abadan Tambudi Diro Diro Yasopia, the Abadan Nayoga Tambudi Kanzayare. Babala Pienta the Maranadika Dilo the Abadana Yoga, Tampudi Kanzaya Relo, Minga de Dudan Jalaya. Da talk, no? Sienna Horale Mo, Medudan Chidari, Jabure Sujita, Edo Balido Rema, Erido. Ningayana Dina Ye Terra Shid. Now, let Romiana Mabogan, Shina le Drilling. Buddha Dasa, Dukara, Madavina Dukara Madawa Suda Sang was Sadom Yasopia, Ibiadi Pabalo, Uda Padi. Piedan the Yoga Pity. Wirisa Mano one tone Bhagavan Osa Bebio Kisami Hangudina Ran Nagaran. Hey Ananda, let's go to the Kushinagara. Tago Era Pali Jaraman accept Yogda Dila. Bhagawa Mega Augama from Pawa to Kushinagara. Don't go Tashiko Talabawe. The Gao don't go to my love. Pawan to Kushinagara. The journey only 9 miles distant. Bhagavan traveled. One day before Purman of the Kasol departed Abdami in the morning from Pawan to Kushinagara. Between two cities on the way, Buddha stop and stay, take that 25 times. You know, you Jago, my Kiba, Maya Benajina, 25 times. No? The era they made a Shafa Atata. The Balido Mabaro. Taga Toga Bhagavan Vyashini Mega Augama Kiba Pebiro. Yena Nyadra Ruka Mula Dinuba the Gami, the being Gochingade. Upadagame no Jigabia, the Manda Ananda Amadedi. She Ananda Gupiore. Ega made no Ananda Sroguna Tagade Binyabehi. Ananda ye, Netadengangu, League of Kali Kimbi Bapa. Netadengan Chotaraga. League of Suro. Shitaya. What about? ဒီပဲပါအသွေးမရှိအသားမရှိအယိုးနဲ့အရည်ပဲချက်ဝမ်းသွားလို့ပိန်ချုံးတယ်ထူထူလေးခင်းပေးမှဖြစ်မှာပေါ့ကိုဒီမှာငါခင်းပေးတာအောက်ကကြောက်ခဲတယ်ကလထိုင်းပေါ်မှာဟမ်ကြောက်စိမ့်နေမလေးခင်းပေးတာဘယ်ဟုတ်မလဲဖင်ကျင်းတာပေါ့ရသော်ဖျားလို့တော့မလုပ်နဲ့အိုပြီးနိတိတိဘဂဝါပညာတိအာတတိဘုရားခင်းတဲ့နေရာထိုင်လိုက်ခင်းပေးတဲ့နေရာထိုင်လိုက်နိတိသခောဘဂဝါသမန္တအာမန္တေတိထိုင်ပြီးတော့ရှင်အနန္ဒကိုပြောတယ်အိမ်ကမေတ္တအာနန္ဒရေငါတိုက်တော့ပါတယ်ကွာတောင်းပန်ပါတယ်ဗာနိယံအာဟရတော့တော်ရည်ယူခဲ့ပါ Oh brother Ananda I request to you please give me a drink and water Pipati Dodami Ananda I am so thirsty be with me I want to drink Pipati Dodami I am so thirsty. Lama lu tayau lu bio ni. Belum pemana sudah manji. Ewang day di lu bio ro. Adama ananda bukondang wasa. Eri lu hitau ni ro. Bena mana ni dale. No. ချောင်းလေးတစ်ခုလို့ပြောမလားမြစ်တစ်ခုလို့ပြောမလားအိန္ဒိယကတော့နဒီကြီးပဲရေကနွားချီကုန်မြို့ယုံလောက်ရှိတယ်ဒါဒေါသတွေပြောတာလူစင်းလျှောက်လဲချီကုန်မြို့လောက်ရှိတယ်နွားခွာမြို့ပေါ့ကွာလူဆိုတော့ချီခုံမြို့ပေါ့2-3 inches. The water measurement of the only 2-3 inches in this river, sandy river. No? Any anaga bibi ma myasa bya timeပြီးတော့နာအဲ့ဒီမှာပြပါတိတော်သမီးအာနန္ဒာ Hey Ananda I am so thirsty give me a drinking water In those days, they have not been by border water. Blend ye sura shira mamobe. Ibune samba dale mo. Era eri miema babit. Yasa bia ye down it. Mikli de ma ye ga. 2-3 inches ဒါလောက်ပဲရှိဘလောက်စင်တီမီတာတို့ရောက်နေပြီလို့ဒီလိုမပြောနဲ့အဲ့ဒါဘယ်သူမှနားမလဲချီကုန်မျိုးလို့ရှိတယ် very easy to understand ဟုတ်တယ်မလားဣဒာနိဗန္တိဘန္တိဘုန်းတော်ကြည်တော်မူသောမြတ်စွာဘုရားဣဒာနိယခုခါမှာပေသမတ္တနိသကတတရာနိလက်အစင်းမောင်း900တို့သည်အတိတ်ကန္တာနိမြေကိုဖြတ်သန်းနေကြတယ်ဘုရားမြေတဲ့ဖြတ်နေတာလှဲပေါင်းဘရောငါစက္ကိစိန်နံလှဲဘိန်းနေဖြတ်မောင်းနေတော့ပရိဒံနဲနေပြီဖြစ်တဲ့တန်ဥဒကံထိုရည်သည်လူလိတံဘောင်ပင်ခတ်နေတယ်အာဝိလံနောက်နေတယ်လှဲငါရဖြတ်မောင်းတဲ့ရေကဘာဖြစ်လဲလှုပ်လက်ခတ်နောက်အဲ့ဒါကြောင့်မြတ်စွာဘုရားရေဘာဆက်ဖတ်မလဲဖတ်စမ်းအ Ayabade kakudanati awiduri yata. Awiduri jibiro babjoma. Who she nothing wibu. Kakuda me she de pia. The Lusha. She na nothing wibu. Kakuda me she de pia. Isodaka. Badodaka, the dodaka, the badita, Ramania. Call it that, no? Isodaka, Yirigana, Gilo. Badodaka, Yigam Hoku, Yiriga, Chumi, Nide. The dodaka, Yiriga, Ede. The dodaka, Yiwa, Yibia, Mobu. Yeah, pure. Look data, a said that Sikane County. Ramania, ye get up in the Hubek and the Beckham Bounty. Oh, 6 champions, ye may. Shannon, I shall count. Dan Saki say, na Breda Lulida, Awila, Vandadi. Ayam bandi kagudan di awiduri isodaka dodaka di dodaka tu berita ramania. Di niaga yiga rapapir le nuate ngaya lau pia mau na yiri nau ni. Nua sore kau ngale yidu ira ku kesungla yi hola mala. Yili ano damai tau mesti cigo miok. One over time, lady did it, no, I didn't do it. Yeah, be called out her papa. She got down in Polo, the Nogala Expo, a little bit. D. Bacon, no theory. And I just say, yes, of your Dika, Dina Majim Thaman, La Seshoya, Betty Shop. Ye get that when they pony the me on shop. Any mega yegali, it's so the catato, the catito, the catito, the two potato. The lock on the ye view. Don't the ambig home go, that the ambig home go. Palupania. Payan the Jay down there, Shannon the Jay Young Yen. Pay those Jay down to Shannon and Yen. Ega made Ananda, Baniyan Ahara, be Badi Dodami, Ananda be with Amidi, or Bani Diva, the Ananda, Bogawata, Blizzard, Badan, Gahidwa. The way you be a Yena than the Dika Nedimo. Nedi ka Didi ka Bado Kurgato Mingeli Taga Nedica, Seki Sinabri, Dalulida, Willa Banda Mana Adamani Anani Uba Degamani Issa Wibadana and Willa Issa Gide Wibadana. Now, Jim Shibu, and now Willa, be a game biro, than data, see. Shannon, I let me clear Yega, Chile, Asian biro, see. Taco Adamado, Ananda, Ada, the Hobby. Is the Yamadaba, Budamadabo, Nanagada, Vidigada, Manubawada, Oz Haive, Piashino, the go. Ayahi Danadiga, second say, Nabrida Ludida, Awida, Nanamana, Mayuba, the Commande, Esha, Wipadana, and Nawila, Nandadi. Now check out that saying, a media, a coachy biro, see the wow, Paya, the go, over Colada. But Dina, Bania, Araya, Yena, Bagowadinu, but think of me. The Baina Yeka biro, Payala. The Vina Yekas, the Vijina Kokada, Behom, like using the same bit of the Vita Terra. Idani Banda, Bandi, Nadiga, Saki, Sinabina, Lulida, Avida, Manami, Uba, the Kamani, a piece of Alonso shop in a Taco, Pania, a Pai Yeta. Yes, now, Bioja, Paya to go ne, ye chila de no level, Piolo, come on it. I'm hearing a Bioja. Nwari lady Pia Mount be the Yiria, the outback will see them. Outback will see them. She and I got one lady piano, a 10 number. My lady yellow. They are a sip bit of 12. Ye, is a green and sip with the weighted tail. Hello, cut. Tara diga le paji. Era Yasabia. If thou you never go, Gata Nisa, Diti Kroti, no? Kanagole Asia on beauties or ye chura of hope. Natena Biomi, ye bate. Ye the Naulina, ye so be the Pia Guru, Siana, Navalo, Poppy. Era Tweedy. Clary, Layla Young Atara, Pony, Hola. Paya Kuma, Babel, that's Shenton. Ever story was my story tat. Though done for my though done tat. And a bit of Balala. Bokuda Mala Wutu Larabala. Bokuda Mala Medaji. Any slang ayaha, Mala Medaji, sled. Mala Dainha, Kudena Ubemola. What did I bureau have? Mala day bureau, Huh? Any Medaji lady. All over 500 bull carts are crossing. At that time, Buddha digressed on the bank of this small river. 500 bull carts full of load. Cross and slowly in this small river. These 500 bull carts belong to the princess of the Pokusa. Pokuda Medaji Baril. Say Pokusa Mala Pokta. Mala Medaji Pokusa. Mala Dainga, no? Bayan Senega, democracy Senate. Wizzy net do that. Bayan o Nane de Jay, Nane de Jayla, Lene Jayla, Erali, in the Pipa. Bayan low below, Lene le bill. Now Lene at that time, Pia Ayumakayao. Bayan Pipa. Any baby lady that go young son. Any lady Yaulara. They are bringing by some men. Hola. Narela. Shali. Any lady. Tabe me any Minagia. Pure Buddhist mode. He worshipped the very powerful, famous Ishi, Alara Kalama. You know the Alara Kalama? Buddha's a former teacher. Alara Kalama, Udakarama Buddha, two Ishi, Yadiji Naba. They were Buddha's former teacher in Uruvela forest. Before the Buddha Buddha learning the jhana technique under the guidance of these two great Ishi. Hola. Yazabia Yediji Namatama, Sandy thing at Buddha. Seato Buddha. Anything Alara Yadi. Di Boguda Malaminia, Kuwera. Bogusa Malamoda, wash it for the way years along. He worshipped this Parale Alara Kalama. Benere down go with her. Laser and Annie go with her. Yeti Taranangisa be looked at men. Bodan Taranangisa me Mlohu. He doesn't addict the Bodan Taranangachami, but he took. Just say Saranangachami. Many Indian issues. Because they said Bogusa, Mala princess, last 45 years ago, traveled like with the 500 Bulka through the Uruguay forest. Non le vedo le zagani da Uruguay dore di medaji ha di lenga ya ne dro be twa e do aro meda ngenge be phit ma po ku do le zagani da no twa bi tu le degani ne degani ma phayana yauk la da thabo pok ka da da ma bhayan ne be ma la dwai da lan ma la dwai ni da For many years ago, this princess might be very young. He traveled with a 500 Vulcan full of loaded, traveled through the Uruvela forest. On the way under the tree, he have met those then Ishi Dule Alara Kalama Tui Buri under the tree by the roadside. The Alara Kalama absorbing the Arupa Jhana Basan Wenzana. I Basango Wenzani, Alara Yadeji. Lady Apia, Yadeji, I Basan Wenza. Many dust. All of dust falling on the dress of the Ishi. Yadeji, Bengamo. Phony cha. Bogusa brains saw this Ishi Alara Kalama, wonderful Ishi, absorbing in the Samapati. He approves and asks, how do you know such a kind of heat in the midday? I don't know. How do you know 500 Bulkars are crossing the river? No, I don't know. Do you hear any noisy disturbing you are? Samadhi? No, I don't know. Are you sleeping? Yes, all of us today are sleeping in the Madama hall. No, sir. You have mental activity. Yes, I have a mind. But my mind knows other. I never know the outside disturbances. Oh, wonderful Ishi. living in peaceful and silent. Ishi Sharanan Gacchami Bhikkhu Samana Buddha. Take refuge in the Ishi Alara Kalama. Last 45 years ago in the Uruvara forest. But this Alara Kalama already passed away. Buddhas, after the enlightenment, after the attainment of enlightenment, how many days? 7 weeks. Buddha spent around the Bodhi tree 1 week each in 7 places. After this 7 weeks, this easy passed away and reborn in Arupa Brahma Loka. From this day, Bhikkhu brings, take refuge in the easy. He never went to the Buddha, never take refuge in the Buddha, Dhamma and Sangha. But now he met Buddha on the way by roadside, near the small stream. Sanyang le bina lambi ma bhaya ko twi ni bi. Blu le Bhikkhu Mindai. Our Lord Buddha, after taking the water, drinking the water, taking the rest, absorbing in the plasma body, taking rest under the shade of a tree. Other Bhikkhu Sangha also drinking the water, taking the rest, crossing the river. This Bhikkhu Prince with the 500 Buddhas arrived there. And he saw the Buddha. Buddha ko tu twi pyan bi. And mounted down. Clever said, approach the Buddha, paying rest by the Buddha. He asked the Buddha, "Oh Lord Buddha, you are taking the rest?" "Yes." "Do you hear noisy of the bull or cars?" "No." "Do you see any bull, any car?" "No." "Do you feel any hot weather?" "No." "Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Ichiriyan watabo, abutan watabo. Wonderful. All of them. Barile. Noble, Ariya, Ishi, or Samana, or Brahmana are living in peacefully. Samana, Brahmana, Ninchans or Nijari. All of Ishi, Samana, Brahmana are living peacefully. Yeve Yahani, Ninjas or Nijare. He announced astonishingly, wonderfully announced, all right, Dangarangaya. Living son, with Lanchi, Dure, Unama, Pianama, on it. Bayin Bugi Kwa. Arima. Yes, I'll Chijo Piro. Ubala. hey, my disciple, unload from the last car and take it to Gabla. Unload a total challenge. Take to Gabla. Gabla you get. He donated one the Buddha and donated another one to Ananda. There, Buddha preached very long. At that time, he said, Ijadage Banupidam Bhagavantan Saranang Gacchami. So that? Ijadage Banupidam Bhagavantan Saranang Gacchami. From now, from today, through my whole life, I take refuge in the Buddha. Wonderful undertaking, the three refuges. Digane Masavi, Bayaku Bayi, Benigasa. Benigasa. Piabrini Masamene Madusara. He started to take refuge on the Buddha's Pranivana day, before the one day only. Hold on. Piabrini Masamu, Teni Luma Dubapida. Before the one day, Buddha's Pranivana, he take refuge in the Buddha. Dalila. Piaku Bayi Sura, Piabrini Masange, Teni Velura. Allow his information, allow what he took his refuge. For me is allow what he took refuge. He take refuge in Ishi. For me, yellow, ne lazy, and low, bagu. Yedi Google. Payaku is the bear, no so dear Bejan or a brainy Masambo. Be a baby, but also La Duina, Lambi. Every mamma tell in the tent, Lulet, the Dega Bayacho, the Dega Ananda. Hello, Boma. Eh, Mero de Elupene Ome. Savi, that's your beanie. Yidya Gauna de Kua. Ashanada, the video Chino Lane, Chino Yellow, Bapea, would Chopele Sama. Chopia, Chode, the Galato day. Kasona ye egoli. In the May, very hot summer. Buddha took his donation, one donation, choke the English, no, Gabala. Buddha choke me. Era Buddha, Yajiro, look like I choke the pop in a Yajiro 12. I like it very much. Wonderful indeed. Wow. Level mountain. Buddha also continued to journey. His journey to Kushinagara. Where Dukhayitu said. Between two cities, Bawa and Kushinagara, Buddha take rest 25 times. One day before the full moon of the Kasau, one day before the full moon of the May Mela Labini Madang Taye Alu. In the evening late, Yanizam no Chaya Buddha entered into Kushinara, arrived at Kushinara. Buddha traveled to the southwest corner of the Kushinara. Kushinara southwest corner, and now down in the grove of Sala Uyenema, between the two pair of the Sala tree, Ananda prepared the Buddha's bed. Yazabia Eyali, Yazabia Eya. Pali the Nyonzon, Pali Belule. Mensaka. No? Mensaka Nyonzongo. Yamaga Dalana, a song so no in Yemido, Andre Jana, Pinyapido. Kiwi. Ananda prepared the Mensaka, Buddha's bed. Between the two pair of a Sala tree, all of a Sala tree, the whole forest, beautifully blossomed from bottom up to the edge of the tree. The bench and the bench whole Sala tree were blossomed. Buddha stay and take rest on the Ananda Prabhaya bed. Buddha's head to the north. Buddha's face to the west. Uttra Titakan, Mesakan. Voilà. Gala Bebele to the north. Face to the west. And the countless number of the bhikkhus are gathered together. They want to pay the last respect to the Buddha. 700,000 monks were gathered. Dangarari Blasuwil. Konate. At the moment. In the southern corner of Kushinagara. No? Okay. Kogu Pado. Me. Yena Yijiro said Halego, English Fachi. Sukra Madhawa English ya Mabyo in English page 257 and 258 go up. Second paragraph. The Chonda, Goswami's son, after that night had passed to Nyanondoka, caused a choice food of the book, hard and soft bread. Hard, soft. Hard ka Karaniya, soft ka Bosania. as well as quantity of the tender pork, Nunyan the weather. And by food no go pame, our machine had a Columbia BB. Do they prepare at his house? Do a matenda pork, Nunyan and Wakali, then Nivashi the Wakali. See my dog with a Lulu Yara, Chanega way yay be Chetamohu. Then inform the Bhagavan. That is once at the time of the meal by the message. When it is a time to proceed, the food offering is ready. Then, in morning, Bhagavan got ready by rearranging the room, and taking the ample, the way you there, and great up, nothing I need you there, went to the house of the Shonda, Gosme says, son, Shivri there, Soda, Asia, go, Chador. Accompanied by the company of the baker. Yandangara Asiyuni do the Guadwa. On arriving there, Jaude Kama, to the sea and prepare for him. Yes, entire Yamatai. Having thus seated himself, the Bhagavan said to Choda, Gosme's son Choda, you serve me, Mengagu Lujui, now be Sukara Madawa. Sukara Madawa, now weka, prepare by you, maybe a Satan and Sukara Madawa, now be some other food. Prepare by you to the company of the big. Tasha Sasari go, Tangaru Apinai. Shonda, Bushman's son, ascend respectfully, accordingly, son, prepare Sukra Madhava to the Bhagavan. Oh, yes, I'll be a pure diamond. Dukra Madhavani go payachui. Ava prepare food to company of the big. The champion had a Sone Guru, Hini Guru, Bangaro Chui. Then Bhagavan said to this Choda, Gosme son, Choda, vary the remaining Sukra Madhava in a pit, Shaune Magabi, the journey that whether Hinigo, Pyokwa. Apart the brown the Dadagrahim said, Maviaga Loin, I see no one either in Silesewa of the Deva, Amara, Brahma, Nuloga, Nanoga, Bimaloga, Mangamar, Varchabu, Gamamimu, and the human wow. Saman, Reglu, Samana, Reglu, Brahmana, Daryatako, who eaten this, Dagosare, Lutea, can digest it well. Asache and Sura, Gamamimu can digest. Chonda, Gosme's son, I said that the respectably say in the very well, very well, son, vary the remaining Sukra Madhava in a pit, Chaunema 2 bit of milk bread. Then he approached the Bhagavan, made obeisance to him, seated himself at a Sunday place. Taniyama, you the baby of time. The Bhagavan, by a religious discourse to the Sonda, seated on one side. The Chadini Matai the Sonda go, oh, there's a way I did, and I hope you're champion. Cause him, realize to go Nale on Tubia, Nale Zigir and benefit the other Jugu, Ya Zigir, the teaching to become established in the observance of the teaching. The Adinana Gochin the Buya Dwelle to say Sophia Zigir, do the free with a gladness. One your chin in a pea, Peter enthusiastic, say I tell the in a pea. For practice of the teacher. They are German, so you say the Tata or look below ma, then Bhagavan rose ta from the sea, Tayagata, departed to Ekpatavi later. After the Bhagavan had eaten the food offered by Jonah, Gosman's son. Swimming in the Sunda Segara Swangu after Pila. They are Guze, Sabama paragraph. They are after no, because of Hoguno, after eating the food, any weather was happy the waka offered by Jonah. Jonah Bay like the weather, flew like the weather, some be the cover. A severe illness, being turned on an ayoga, come upon Yaulare, a severe attack, dysentery, being so one to agents or an ayoga attack, and they said, with discharge of blood, tweedy one to agent at the Goa, being turned on yoga, they catching discharge of tweed, discharge of blood, tweed, he suffered to Pimbani, excessive pain, being turned and yoga was seven near unto death. They love Pita. This the Bhagavan Indra. Yes, I'm hearing you Baluka. The Kanta. With a mindfulness and deliberation. The Tamas the yoga the Kanta. Whether being Pata, say now shed no one Shivu, then Tuna. Bhagavan said to the Benebe Ananda pure, come Ananda, Lahi Ananda, let's go to Kushinara, the Benebe Ananda ascended respectfully, saying very well, Benebe Sa. Gatha lady. Gadali Nabo. I have heart. Cheno Chaburi. Nadulu Malulu Lota. Then I think already eaten. After partaking of the food offered by Chonda, Gosman's son, Shevrene da Sonda, Ludan and Swan was Abide Kama. The enlightened one suffer. Paya Duga Piedor, Seva, illness, being done the yoga urinari, pain, and not changing near unto death. They love Angu, not changing and I yoga in a Paya Pimane, lo, I have heart. Marilu Chavure. After having eaten tender pork with that one was sapido aka. Because of eating no alone, no. The other sergeant John look Bada The other sergeant John look so gay, so that Bobby same time with that payment, no. After having eaten the tender pork, they arose in the teacher excessive pain. Nyasha Malo painter the yoga pit, illness pit. Suffering the attack of the dysentery, we want the yoga you pit it, Bhagavat said, that's why I shall go to the town of Kushinara, Anandaye, Gudinaye, Wame, having drinking the water brought. The Bhagavat, yes, the left road and went to the foot of a tree. Jarama Chodare, no? Neneli Chodare. Then Zaga, a cycling in the Piata. So now you bring the Ega Twek. Babaga Twebiro. Buddha. Travel leading to Kushina. Then took her. Bhagavan left the road. Yasabya Lambi would say like, and went to the foot of a tree. The Bayandaku was sent there. And having said to the Vaneve Ananda, Ananda go pure. Full my double Leah road. Full legal. Full collect. My double Leah, my nothing. Full collect. Full leader collect. Place it on the ground. I am exhausted. Jesus. Now I'm going to I'm so tired. Not pay money. I shall sit down. Take rest. Not time be now me. When we Ananda, you're at the Luda Boba. Bhagavan sat down on the full road, said Ananda, now so much on. Ananda, go and bring drinking water. Now you're at the go Jordan. I am thirsty. Ananda, go. Bring drinking water. You get. I am thirsty. I want to have a drink of the water. I want to have a drink of the water. Now you don't say. On this being said by the Bhagavan, Vanave Ananda said to the Bhagavan, Vanave said, 500 cars, have just now crossed the stream, you know. Nadika sore Bali Bogole, Nadika sore Bali Bogole, stream di Mother Pianara. Nadika sore ka anega barana, small. And Nadika is a stream. They let it piano and design young lady, let it piano. They shallow water. No? Bala. Shallow water. Bala. They need it. Yeah. The shallow water, they need it. Yeah. Being started up, can't show need it. Yeah. By the God wheat, oh sorry, God wheat, cleverly pianity, flow, David, flow, scenic, David and Madi, now Jibiro, Shonyon in a scenic ye, Vanivesa. The Kaguda river is not far off. Kaguda means where we are. There. And the Kaguda means water is clear. Pabir. Chile Nashene, sweet. Chure, cool. Free from muddiness. Marines Shonyuni Kene. It's saw the Kata, don't the Kati, don't the Katu, but they Dharamaniabo. There are good band, Malay, beautiful band, lovely band. It is a pleasant place. Nidapagoninia at the Kakuda River. Bagawa may drink water, Erijama Yitha, and also be refreshed himself, Erijama Nayu. Bagawa said, second time, Ananda go, bring drinking water, I am thirsty. I want to have a drinking water. For a second time, Tadavi. Bhagavan said, that time, Ananda, I exhort you to go. Bring drinking water. I have been thirsty. I want to have a drinking water. Tadavi. Ananda saying very well. Benevesa ascended respectfully in taking the ambo, the way you Yeze Baba Udima. Went to the stream, Sanjalisia, shallow water, they needed ye, which was a flowing bit, now cheap the sea needed ye, and muddy shunyon needed ye, having been directed up by the cat we living in Piamount ye became clear in the corridor. Chi dware pure danshin dware absolutely free from marine and among and this thought occurred to Benebe Ananda. Era Gumineka Ananda. Wonderful indeed. The Kego and Osajibe, marvelous Turu Sandame, Sa is a great power of the supernome psychic potency of the Tathagata. Danya Savaru Yajicheri to go Anubove. This is shallow stream detained ye Sanjamuli, which was a flowing David, the slowness seen it a ye, muddy and narrated seen it a year, having been tired at the drive the wheel of the cross and car, pianed living in it, now needed year, is on my appearance of the flowing clear. Namiare at being out of flowing is a clear. Namia moment. Chilen Davi, pure, ancient Davi, absolutely free from Madane. Neboni Kedavi carrying the drinking water in the ambo. The Beneve Ananda went back to the Bhagava and said, Saripya. Indeed, wonderful Benevesa. Yes, I go. Indeed, Mavela, the Gago Duru Sandampit, Benevesa, great power. Yes, I the Gigi, the Gube, supernome, psychic potency of the Tathagata. Oh, being good by the yes of the Guru, that the shallow water of this stream, which was a flowing tabit and muddy, having been tabit up just now by the wheel of the cross and the car, became on my approach. The view of Chengaladegama became clear, became pure, became absolutely free from Madine. The view of Chengaladegama, clear, pure, and then only time, absolutely free from Madine. Now, let the Bhagavad drink the water. Yes, let the Sugata drink the water. Yes, then Bhagavad drank the water. Naya Dirigu Yedu. Lolevida Lisa Linega Sarava, Dita Hora, the kind. Yes, I Yijiro. Ananda Yijiro said the Akali. Ananda told the Lomu, the Gainari. The kind of Yidukulo of Piano, the water. Iawari Minega Yidigo Chiono Bida Seja Zama. Sagaina Hora. Bello be above Hodole, some few to Quemia Trouble Mabo. Uboya Bure. Thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow. We're 12 billion. Bamboo Jamshi, the Bilum, the Kabbalah,